And first of all, how weird. At the same time, I'm like, let these people rest in peace. It's so hot. Hello, beautifuls. My name is Giselle, co-host of the Strong Sunflowers podcast and founder of GS for Growth. And this is day 2 in Cairo. If you haven't seen my day 1, go check it out. But I am leaving my Airbnb by the pyramids. Here you go. Here's a look. You can barely see it because it's so freaking cloudy. But my driver's downstairs. I'm so hot. It's my birthday. So let's go celebrate. So we are at the Museum of Civilization. So cute here. How am I liking Egypt so far? I like Egypt so far. Everybody has been really nice. So far the cleanliness has not been A1. So they have lost points there. But hey, it's only day 2, technically, of Egypt. So I'm gonna give them another chance to redeem themselves for going to a 5-star hotel today. So we shall see how that goes. But I'm excited to learn more about history. And my madre is gonna be right back. She went to go buy our tickets. She's so cute. Perfect. Ticket?
Your ticket.
Perfect. Ticket. So we are in here. There's so many people. We're gonna go check some things out first. So we are in here. Muhammad, the statue of Nadi. Their clothes. Oh, I love that. Beautiful. So I just learned so much about the mummies, and first of all, how weird. At the same time, I'm like, let these people rest in peace, because you can literally see them. So in Egyptian times, what they did for the mummies, they took all of their organs to get them ready for it. So like your lungs, your heart, your brain, your stomach, all those stuff. I gotta ask my tour guide if they took out the eyeballs. And then they wrapped you in these cloths that had essential oils and things like that, like leaves, plants for aroma, as well as, of course, salt and baking soda. So how cool to preserve these from like the 1200 BC. Just crazy. We're going to the Citadel, which is a castle built in the 14th century. Beautiful. There's a lot of construction going on. Their money, but la'a, shukran. So, they just took my little muffler for my camera because the guy thought it was a microphone. Oh my god, it's not a microphone, sir. It's just my little camera muffler. It's just a muffler. But I gotta remember to get it. But, so this is the castle. Cute. It's under construction though. For this, he built this because he didn't want to hang out with the other people outside.
This also.
Oh,
Because I will get ticket. Mexico.
this is beautiful.
And now we have one calendar. This is from Turkey.
The smaller ones.
Yeah, and this is the tomb of Muhammad Ali himself.
In there.
That place was for Muhammad Ali and his family because he didn't play with the people. So this is
They
that
put it up in the top.
Yes.
VIP.
Yeah.
A lot of people were talking about how they didn't feel safe in Egypt. There's a lot of tourists. People seem safe. I feel safe. It's definitely something different to get used to. But this is cute. We're going to a church. We're going to the St. George Church.
ماشي بالسلامة.
This is cute.
صباح العسل.
Beautiful.
Church of St. George. Restored in the 19th century AD.
Gorgeous. One thing about me, I hate stairs. So many stairs. What's on here? Huh.
So this can never.
The architecture kind of reminds me of Lebanon.
Oh, shh. Okay. هكلمك تاني. تمام. يلا سلام سلام. Okay. This is St. George, okay? Because he adhered to Christianity. Look. The emperor sent him and he adhered. Look, this is very spiritual, religious place.
This is the cave where St. John was tortured. This is beautiful. So we're going to the hanging church. These are beautiful. So this is the hanging church. So beautiful. Make a wish. A room tour before I forget. So this is le room, le baño. Pretty simple. This is I. What an upgrade from the other one, right? Cute. I hate that they have carpet in here. I think I'm already getting a stuffy nose. I don't know if they smoke in here, but if they do, like, I mean, there's like ashtrays everywhere. But this is the bed. I can't wait to have a good night's sleep today. But the best part is the view, of course. So that's of the Nile. Shit, I'm like really on the Nile River. It's beautiful. They have a pool down there. They're about to come pick me up. I don't know what the hell that was. They're about to come pick me up to go for a local tour. I'm so tired. I don't think I'm going for my birthday. They're planning a surprise for me. I don't know what's going on, but I will bring you guys with me.